Jozi-based Bridget Ramakapele owns a digital fabric printing company, but interior decorating is a passion.
By entering Win a Home competition, I want to show off that interior design doesn't mean like it's only for the rich people. Everyday people, anybody can actually decorate a house and express how they are, their style, and there's no wrong or right way. It's just how different people around you portray it. I've always been in love with like patterns and designs. We bought a house. I started getting more involved in interior decorating because then I was being exposed to that industry where I actually realized that I can merge my passion for patterns and colors and everything into actually upholstery and interior design, and then also express who I am. My personal style, currently, it's actually vibrant colors. I love bright colors, especially with spring coming along. Today I may be pink, tomorrow I'll be purple, someday I'll be green. You never know, because that's what creates Bridget. What sets me apart is that I listen to my clients. I don't have one specific type of style. I can take whatever the client requires or whatever the need is and then put it into a room where they are the ones who are going to live in it. Even though I'll be competing with the other contestants, I've got 100% my family backing me up into this whole journey of mine. And I feel that I will definitely bring in something completely different and innovative, I would say. That's part of my strategy.